Then hey guys, welcome back to another episode of V Builds. I have this box lying around and I want a toolbox, so I am going to try to convert this into a toolbox. Let's begin. Ooh. Thing is these wheels. I'm going to install them right there, but the thing is this is very thin. If I just directly install it, it will tear this apart, so I have to figure out a way. Let's begin by making the holes where we need to put the nuts and bolts. So I'll be using this wheel to make the markings first. Now, as I said, the metal sheet used in the box is too thin, so that's why we cannot just install the wheels directly on it. So I have to cut this 1mm plate to size, and then I'll put it on the inside of the plate so that there is not a lot of pressure at a single point and it is distributed, so that way the box will not tear apart. Here we have 4 identical pieces with 4 holes in each. Let's install the tires. ये क्या अब यहीं गांव में रहते हैं क्या ये? All the 4 wheels are bolted in, and now let's flip it and let's see if it rolls around properly. There you go, nice and smooth. So stage 1 is done and it feels quite sturdy, moving around properly. Now we have to install the drawers inside it so that we can have separate compartments for all of our tools. Gather all the waste from around the house. Now we have to mix and match these iron rods to make kind of a skeleton inside the box, because as I said, the box is not strong enough to hold the weight of all the tools. It is just to store something in a horizontal way, so that's why I'm making this skeleton, and then I can install the drawers on this skeleton and the weight will directly go onto the wheels instead of any of the sides of the box. This is kind of important. Is what I'm gonna use to make 2 drawers. 1, 2. If you're wondering what this is the roof of an old plastic cooler that we used to have, and the cooler broke and it was of no use, so it was just lying around there. And doing this, my mom is really happy because I'm clearing all the scrap things from my house. So as such, this piece is quite big because it is not fitting inside the box neither horizontally nor vertically. So I have to cut it into 4 pieces and then join them together to make a drawer of perfect size. So it goes like, this is one drawer and the other one like that. No, not like this. Like this. 2. Goes like this. It's quite tricky to join these 2 plastic pieces together to form a drawer. So, and because they need to be strong enough to support the weight of whatever I put inside that, and tools are heavy. So what I'm gonna do is paste them using these Araldite. These are very strong glue, and then I will also be screwing 2 metal plates in the center, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna be very sturdy and won't go anywhere. One, two. One, two drawers ready. To open this, there's the tab. Just press it like this and pull it out. Now you have to separate. This one goes on the box, this one goes on the drawer. These sliders are the most expensive and most technical part of this build. And these are the only things that I actually had to buy from a market, I guess. Yeah, rest everything I just found lying around the house. So yeah, that's all the cost that I have to this build. And yeah, now to these plastic drawers, I'm also worried they might break from the weight. So that's why I'm installing this L-shaped metal piece here, so that it can support some of the weight and it can directly connect to the sliders. Have the skeleton and the skin in place, so now going by the analogy, we need the muscle. So this metal sheet is where we are going to place the sliders inside the frame.
की तो इसलिए वो फैसला ना सुना है क्योंकि इसने भी ऑब्जेक्शन उठा दिया फिर रिकॉर्डिंग करके इसका कोच ने भी
अच्छा
जिसके कारण फैसला
Two sliders, one on the left, one on the right. Let's put it in. हाँ
आमलेट बना दे इतना
आमलेट बना दो, सही है. शटपटी शटपटी. There you go. One is on. Now for the third and the fourth drawer, which are gonna be a bit bigger in size in order to house some bigger tools, I'm gonna use wood. This wooden plank and some of the sheets lying around. इसके ऊपर ये वाला यहाँ लगा दे. Last two drawers are also ready. Let's install the sliders. And the last drawer. Okay, the difficult part is almost done and the toolbox is ready. Now we need to make it look good and do some branding, painting. Let's do that.
save me. Oh, take me home.
I want to mask the sliders because I don't want the paint to get over them. Let's say if they are painted, the surface might get rough. Right now they are very shiny and smooth. So if the surface gets rough, it would be more difficult to operate the sliders. There will be a lot of friction. So let's avoid that. I'm gonna use the sponge and the handles of these laptop boxes. The handles from the laptop bags will come very handy to pull out the drawers, the bigger ones, and they are very easy to install. Just make two holes and then slide them in. No need to screw anything up. So I really like it. 50 space in front of the box, and so I'm just gonna scribble my channel name. And make sure you like, share and subscribe if you're liking the videos, obviously. Even if you don't, just hit subscribe, man. Doesn't cost anything.
हाँ बस अरे ज़्यादा नहीं हाँ ठीक है हल्का सा बस हो जाएगा हाँ
पासवर्ड वगैरह सारा याद से मेरे को बताऊंगी सर ये लिंक क्यों कौन डाल के मेरे फोन करते
मड़ी होगी क्या तुम
कितना है दूध डाल
दूध दे दे सारे किलो थोड़ी सी और तो सही कम है यार
Finally, it's done. Branding is done, and there's a YouTube sign on the top. Like that, my toolbox is finished. Let me show you what all is inside.
चले तो कौन चले के
चलती हो भी हो बेरा ना बैकग्राउंड में चलती हो तो
चेक करो
let me show you right there. YouTube sign, we built, and then the first one is for the electronic stuff. So my solder, multimeter, torchlight, and then these are ear plugs, and then some screws and nut bolts. And this one is empty. I'll be keeping something there. Markers, tapes, and stuff. There goes the first one. Second one have the screwdriver, all the pliers and scissors, and other stuff like those keys and all. These are here. then another small screwdriver and safety glasses right there. Then that's it, heat shrinks and all. That's second. Third one has the angle grinder, and then some zip ties. Here we have some nails in this box. Come on, right there. Okay, and some angle grinder attachments like the sponge. This one, Feviquicks, blades, and then some drill bits. Everything is here. Allen keys, another more drill bits. This is a stapler. All that. Okay, this is third. Fourth one, I have these handles to pull them out. I took them out of the Dell boxes, my laptop boxes. Then this one is a heat gun. Then drill bits again, some pliers, and then heat shrinks right there. This one again, some screws in there. This is for the drill machine, all the attachments for the angle grinder right there. And now at the bottom I left this space empty, so it has, this one has all the big screws and stuff like that. Then this is the drill machine right here, and got a hammer, and this is for, what do you call that? I forgot, man. What do you call it? Whatever, I forgot the name. This is for these things, you know, you put them in and pull out. I forgot the name, whatever it is. And then some tapes in there, and the last one is the big tool set right here. That's it. And right there, it's done. Done. Toolbox. And then there are wheels to drag it around. Just like that. Take it anywhere. Ta-da! That's a wrap. I've been wanting this toolbox for a long time, and now I'll be able to keep a track of all my tools. There are still some more things, welding machine and the blower and a lot of other things which I am not able to fit inside the toolbox, but this is going to be a great help. See you in the next one. Like, share, subscribe. Bye bye. If you like this video, please consider subscribing.
This guy's not slowing down. Yeah, that's confirmed. He's not stopping. Code 3.